Well, there's the ship, and this is what they call the old government house. And it's guarded by 2 cannons and 2 guys up there on the balcony. I think we can take them. So it says the entrance is around this way.
It is.
And she verifies it.
What is it?
Thank you. Hey, pomegranates, little tiny ones. But they're almost ripe. I don't think they're getting any bigger. And here's the entrance. I think it's $5 to get in, US. Tortola currency is the US dollar, believe it or not, even though they're British Virgin Islands. So we are in the old government house in Road Town, Tortola. See the ship out there? And we paid the $5 to take a tour. To walk through. Although they gave us a tour book to guide us, but we have to, busy road right down there, the road we came in on. Oh, I guess we're not going upstairs either. It's not those stairs.
There's a blueprint.
Patio. Hibiscus. Cannons. I'm guessing those haven't been used in a while. Ooh, let's go back this way. Did you want to sign in? Dining room. Low ceiling. It's like they collected coffee mugs instead of shot glasses. And these are like the, oh, I guess they're a coat of arms. They're like the plaques the ships get on their maiden voyage into a port. Giant pomegranates. That's the path we came up on. It's a joke. You saw the little pomegranates there. Well, we can't go upstairs in Government House. They said we could walk on the trails through the gardens. So that's what we're going to do. And it's started raining. It was pouring a minute ago. Now it's letting up. We should know that this is a very rocky path because it's, you know, made with rocks. There's like a greenhouse up there. And it's actually green. I think that's the first green greenhouse I've seen. And now we're on the grass. Lots of flowers. You probably don't see it, but there's a spider in a web right there. Look at these little orange guys. And they've got these cool hanging hibiscus. They hang down. Yeah, they're not open. But it goes up there, stops, goes down here. I don't know how far. Notice how everything's wet. Whoa, and slippery.
Rain again.
And slippery. I think this will take us back to the patio. Yeah, Janet's right. The rain is starting up again. And it's funny, you know, have it be raining and have sweat dripping off my face. But that's the nature of the islands. Hot and humid.